Let's start with the rituals. Thank you. Thank you, God, for giving us a beautiful life. Thank you for giving us a beautiful morning. Thank you that I am alive today. Thank you for giving me all the energy. Thank you, my dear parents. Thank you to my lungs, my heart, for working 24 by 7 tirelessly for the last so many years. Thank you to my eyes for working tirelessly for long so many years. Thank you to my brain for helping me to take right decision and working smoothly. Thank you. Thank you to my body. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take your right hand on the heart and say thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with me all the time. Thank you. This one activity every day in the morning, if you do with yourself, tell your body thank you. Your body feels very good. Your body feels very good. And today, friends, I'm going to talk a very, very powerful thing, that is the uh, diet, food, weight loss, weight gain, disease reversal. All these things I'm going to talk. It is so powerful, so powerful. So I want you all to write down these notes if you want to make it. Okay. So again, you have to make 5 notebooks. One for the gratitude, one for the affirmation, one for the goal. Every day morning writing a goal. Whatever you want, whatever comes in the mind, 10 things, 5 things, whatever it comes, right? Just sparing 20 minutes every day morning will save your day, will align you like anything. And the fifth notebook, which I want you to introduce today, is your health journal. Your health journal, very, very necessary. What is working good for you? What is not working good for you? Fine. So I'm going to talk a lot of things in today's sessions. 5 minutes are over. It's 7:05 almost. 20 minutes more we have. So a lot of myth and this I'm going to break today. So be ready with the notebook and pen, or you can go and watch the videos again and again. So first thing, nowadays people have the question, sir, I want to lose weight. Why you want to lose weight? I'm obese. Okay. So what is your weight? I am 110. Okay. So how much you want? Sir, as per the BMI, it is my height is this much and my weight has to be this much. Okay. My dear friends, please write down. Please write down. Go outside and do a survey. All the hospitals. Take one day, go to the hospitals and do a survey. Ask everyone's weight as per their BMI and check that they are healthy or not. I had seen many people, those whose weight is okay, they are in 60 kgs, 65 kgs, 55 kgs, and they have a severe health problems, cancer, diabetes, thyroid, blah, blah, blah. Long list, long list. Don't trust me. Don't trust me. I again tell, it's not about me. It's not about you. It's about your food and your health. I don't want to come in between your health and your food. Okay, very, very important. So just do a survey. Forget about the hospitals. In your society itself, go to every home, talk to them, right? Those who seems to you are healthy, just go and ask. Okay, the one who is has to be the zero medication, they're healthy. Zero medication, they're able to run, able to wake up early in the morning, they all are healthy, right? So then the people start arguing me in the second question, but sir, people say that when there is a weight loss or when you become normal, then you can overcome diabetes. Yeah, I agree. I'm not saying that being obese is a good thing, please understand. But again, I don't want to say the obese definition is different and weight is a different parameter. Weight is a different parameter and obesity is a different parameter. I come across many people, those who are in 40 kgs, 50 kgs. They are able to walk, they are able to jump, they are able to do everyday activities, right? So it's not the parameter. Okay. So if you are coming across so many diets for weight loss, nowadays a lot of, as Ruchita Divekar says, weight loss tamasha. Okay. I have, you should, I strongly recommend you all to go through a lot of books are there. This is one of the book. This book is Ruchita Divekar, Indian Superfoods, right? So many things she has talked about. So many things she has talked about, right? Just try to listen. I'm not saying that you follow so many people, but my question is very, very simple. It's about your body. Food or diet is something which has to be sustainable. Habit is something which has to be sustainable. Are you getting it? So don't try to do a diet which is not sustainable. Someone says, have this, go through this plan. They give you a plan for 30 days. My dear friends, please understand. You pay them X amount for 30 days, right? 30 days you get the result also, right? You share your results with them. They share your result with somebody else, and based on that, they bang on, they sell their products, right? And what happens to you? After 30 days, after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you are back to normal. You are at the same position. You are at the same position. Is that sustainable diet? My question is very simple. Is that a sustainable diet? The answer is no. You just answer. If you want to answer, please answer. I want you all to answer in the chat box. Is that a sustainable diet which you cannot follow for throughout the life? You may, I have seen many people going on the diet charts. I'm not naming anybody. Everybody is trying their best, right? People lose weight, 5 kgs, 10 kgs, 20 kgs. I also have lost weight, right? I'm not saying that no. I had lost from 110 to 75 now. Okay. Maybe, maybe I'm going to 70 or 65. But that's not the question. My question is always about health. Yesterday, I was talking to one of my student, and she was very frightened. She was telling me, because recently I had a case of dialysis, right? Kidney problem. So she was telling that my father also had a very high creatinine. It was around 9.5 or something. And doctor said for the dialysis, and we went for the dialysis. But next day, I don't know what happened, and he expired. And they said that it's a cardiac arrest. Please understand. If you are following anything, crash dieting, just because weight loss, you may get the result. I'm not against it. But my dear friends, whenever you change your body to something else which is not sustainable, your body starts giving a lot of symptoms. And this modern people says it's normal, it's normal, it's normal. Your body is detoxing, and that's why it is happening. Please understand. If you are sneezing, it's okay. That is a detox. If you are getting bad breath, it's a detox. Okay. If you are getting smell from the stool and urine, it's a detox. Toxin is coming out from the body. So that is okay. That is normal. But suppose one day you are weak, it's okay. But a week time, 10 days, you are feeling very weak, low energy. Is that sustainable? Not at all. Don't go on this crash dieting and all that. So trying to focus on the health. Forget about the weight, forget about the disease, forget about everything else. Just concentrate on one single dimension, that is health. Define what is health. So today I'm going to talk, my dear friends, very, very important thing. Please understand. Write down if you want. You have to eat what is local. You have to eat what is local and seasonal. Write down these two keywords: local, seasonal, and as per your genetic inheritance. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So some people are from West Bengal. They have the culture of machi bhat, rice bhat. Right or wrong? You decide. I'm not saying what is right, what is wrong. Okay. Some people have got the habit of having rice and sambar. You decide right or wrong. I'm not saying anything. Okay. Some people have got the habit of having poha in the morning. You decide what is right, what is wrong. I'm not telling you to leave what you are eating. I'm telling you to learn how to eat. Poha is wrong? Definitely no. But how to make poha and have it and when to have is the question. Right? Somebody wants to have tea. Now, getting up early in the morning and having tea, good or bad, you decide. But I suggest not to have in the morning. Why? Because when you are getting up in the morning, you are fresh. And if you're not fresh, there is a problem. Just to make yourself fresh, you want tea. So I see my many of my friends and students, they tell me, sir, जब तक चाय या कॉफी ना हो नींद ही नहीं खुलती है. Okay, that you have programmed. I'm not saying it's good or bad. Again, I don't want to fall right in that trap. Otherwise, people will start calling me, sir, you said not to have tea. Sorry, I'm not saying anything total, but I'm just trying to help you with understanding the science. Morning, you are fresh. You have taken rest of 8 hours sound sleep. Why you want tea? And if you want tea, better you go to bed and sleep. Don't get up till you are fresh. What will happen if you don't get up one day? Suppose you are lucky you are getting up in the morning. There are many bichara, they are not able to get up also. They have some cardiac arrest or some problem in the night and they are no more. No problem. If you're feeling sleepy now, one day before, inform your office, I'm not feeling well. I'm not able to come to the office. I want to sleep. Take one day sleep for 24 hours. No problem. Sleep the whole day. No problem. Absolutely fine. But taking tea or coffee just because I want to get fresh up, then what will happen? After 1 hour again, you'll say, I'm feeling sleepy. Chai lana. Hey, choto, ek chai bol. Please don't be dependent on something. It's a trap. It's a big trap. If you want tea occasionally, you went to the office, some people have come, you want to have tea. Okay. Don't go in the trap of the tea. Don't go in the trap of the coffee. कि कॉफी तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. मेरा काम रुक गया है. बिना कॉफी के मेरा काम ही नहीं होता है. See these words, how they are good or how you sound. Type in the chat box. How does it sounds? Just feel and say. चाय के बगैर तो मेरा काम ही नहीं होता है. चाय के बगैर तो मेरा दिन ही नहीं शुरू होता है. चाय तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. झगड़े होते हैं सवेरे सवेरे. घर में पूरा तांडव स्टार्ट्स इन द मॉर्निंग. चाय चाहिए, चाय चाहिए. एक सवेरे सवेरे गर्म होगा एक बड़ा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग गुड और बैड. अगेन प्लीज जस्ट शेयर योर व्यूज. जस्ट शेयर योर व्यूज. मैंने देखा है. आई हैड गॉन थ्रू दिस प्रोसेसेस. सुबह सुबह वो बड़ा टम्बलर लेंगे, चाय रखेंगे, फिर वो कुछ मंगाएंगे घर में. दे विल ऑर्डर समथिंग. व्हाट ऑप्शंस आई एम टेलिंग यू. सम स्मार्ट पीपल, ब्राउन ब्रेड. लिटिल लोअर स्मार्टनेस, व्हाइट ब्रेड. थोड़ा कम, जीरा बटर, व्हाइट बटर, येलो वाला जीरा बटर, मस्का खारी, गुड क्वालिटी खारी, तोश, ओके, कड़क पाव, नरम पाव. I don't know, many varieties has come. This 7-8 varieties I know in the morning. Some people can have more varieties. Mary biscuit. My father used to say, no Parle biscuit, only Mary biscuit. Okay, I'm not saying anything for that, right? So I'm not against the biscuit company. I'm not against the anything. I'm just telling you, my dear friends, with folded hands, nobody should come between you and your body and your food. बीच में आना ही नहीं चाहिए कुछ. ना पार्ले, ना मैरीगोल्ड, ना कुछ नहीं आना चाहिए. Just sense your body, what your body says and what is good for your body. Okay, so that is about the tea, coffee and all that stuff. Then comes next, diet part. Okay, sir, my weight is, I want to reduce weight. What should I eat? And if I ask them what I generally do, what your eating pattern, and they say, sir, morning I have tea, then I have poha, then I have roti sabji and all that stuff, then I have this. Okay, so you give me what you eat, what is available in the market, send me the list. Based on that list, right? Based on that list, I will give you what to eat and how to eat. Then they question, no, no, sir, but other people to give us the chart. My dear friends, if somebody is giving you the chart for 7 days, okay, it may be just a guideline. You need to understand it. Is it sustainable? Can you eat throughout the life? No. Your craving will come back. If you are from south and you have been habituated of idli, sambar and this, then some or the other day you will have to eat. You will have the craving. आपको नहीं होगा, घर में बनेगा, खाना तो पड़ेगा, नहीं तो क्रेविंग तो आएगी. 30-40 years का वो जेनेटिक मेमोरी है, लर्निंग हैबिट्स है, राइट. चाय है, कभी तो कभी सामने आएगा. मिठाई है, कभी तो कभी सामने आएगा, राइट. So you have to train yourself to adjust it, right? So learn the science, very, very important. So 4 or 5 things which I'm telling you right now, please write it down. Carbohydrates. Just understand what the nature of the food. Grains है क्या? Milk product है क्या? Okay. Nuts है क्या? So first, what did I say? Grains. Second, milk products. Third, nuts. Okay. Fourth, fruits. And fifth, vegetable. Just classify them on these 5. Okay. After these 5 classification, just today's task, I'm giving you all the task for today. Just make 5 pages. Make 5 pages in your health journal notebook. Page 1, carbohydrate foods. Page 2, fruits, vegetables, milk, and this way. Now after that, you have to divide them into their composition part, right? Grains का हो गया, grains. Then what did I say? Fruits. Then vegetables. Then nuts, and then milk and milk products. One more category you all can add, that is non-veg. So total 6 categories you all can add. After writing these 6, is this clear till now? 6 categories which I talked. Please type in the chat box yes. 6 categories I said: grains, fruits, vegetables, non-veg, nuts. Okay, so 6. Now you have to understand them based on the composition. Which one has how much composition? Some may be rich in carbohydrate, less in proteins. Some may be rich in proteins, some may be less in something else, right? So just understand it. And then how you can have it. Having in a right way is very, very important. Right way is very, very important. Never ever mix non-veg with the grains. Why? I'm telling you. The time taken for the grain is around 16 hours. Maybe, roughly I'm saying, depending on the nature of the grain. Time taken for the non-veg is more than 16 hours. It is around 18 to 24 hours. Depends. Fine. And that is why people suggest not to have non-veg back to back, because it's a long journey to process in the intestine. Acha. Next, fruits. Do not mix fruits with the grains. Why? Because fruits digestion takes in a different way. It takes around 6 to 8 hours, roughly, as per the chemical composition. Those who are chemistry people, they all can understand what are the enzymes, what are the secretions, and all that stuff, right? So you all can go and read enzymatic reactions, all that stuff. Nowadays, the sad part, doctors are giving the enzymic tablets also, right? They have come to the vitamin D tablets, chewables, B complexes tablets, calcium tablets. Nowadays in Corona period, they are giving a lot of zinc supplements, okay, magnesium supplements. Respect to all the people, I'm not saying anything. I'm only a chemistry guy who understand the chemistry and the mother nature's that's all, nothing else. So I have learned chemistry and the mother nature, that's all. So I'm just telling that I'm not contradicting somebody. I'm just trying to tell that what the nature says. Okay. So And then don't trust me. Experiment it, do it, and then test it, because it's between you, your body, and the food. Try it and then see how it works. Okay. So grains and fruits. If you want to have grains, have grains, right? More of the carbohydrate, less of the proteins. That is perfectly fine. So you want to have chapati, have with lot of sabji, no problem, absolutely fine. Want to have rice and a lot of sabji, absolutely fine. Want to have something else, right? Want to have milk, keep a gap of 6 hours, 8 hours, right? Milk itself is a complete food. So whatever is rich in the composition or complete food, do not mix with anything else. Want to have milk, have 1 glass milk, right? And keep a long gap of 6 hours, 8 hours. Let it get digested in the body. Do a lot of hard work. Do a lot of exercises. Absolutely fine. Want to have ghee? Have 1 spoon of ghee. Give a long gap. Okay. But don't try to mix so many things, right? Fruit with milk, with grain. It's difficult. Let's say there is a lane and I have to go. Okay. And then the person in front of me is going very, very slowly. What will be my speed? Reply in the chat box. His speed is 5 steps in a minute. My speed is 100 steps in a minute. But I'm behind him. What will be my speed? I cannot cross him. I have to follow him only. What will be my speed? Please type in the chat box. It will be 5 steps in a minute or it will be 100 steps in a minute. Right. It will be 5 steps in a minute. Why? Because I am behind him. Are you getting it? So when you mix a lot of fruits with the grains, the speed changes. Right? Body doesn't have something like that key. There's the intestinal system now. One cannot jump and bypass. There is no what is that, airlifting method in our stomach. There is no airlifting method in our stomach, right? It has to go in the lane only. Lane, I hope you all understand. It's a lane from here, then esophagus, then in the stomach, then the intestine. It's a tube, right? It will go step by step only. So people ask me, sir, but then if I have to fruit and grain, what to do? What's the speed? Speed of the fruit is fast. Speed of the grain is slow. So what to put first? Type in the chat box. First you will have fruits or first you will have grains? Very simple science, not a very complicated one. Right? In next session I will discuss more. Today I will only talk about the fruit and the grain. That's all. The morning time, if you have an option to have a grain or a fruit, what you will have first? Very simple question. Speed of the fruit is fast, right? It will digest fast, right? And grain will digest slow. So morning time, what you will have? Obviously, you will have fruit first. And then after a gap, you will have grains, right? Now, speed of the vegetable juices is 4 hours. Let's take an understanding. Vegetable juice or digestion part, if they are in the raw form, in a juice form, not very complicated, then it is 4 hours, right? And fruit 6 to 7 or 8 hours. Then what you will have first? You have the option. You have the apple also and you have the cucumber also. What you will have first? Cucumber or apple? Vegetable or fruit? Type in the chat box. Type in the chat box. Whatever you comes to know. I'm just trying to help you or make it aware. Be a aware, conscious eater. That is very, very important. Right? Okay, thank you so much. Right? So morning you can have vegetable juice or vegetable. After 4 hours, 6 hours, if you want, you can have fruit. Right? So vegetable juices are easiest thing and they are cheaper. Cucumber 20 rupees per kg. Apple 120 per kg. Peru 50 rupees kg. I'm just wrong, maybe wrong in your area, you'll check it out. What is seasonal? Vegetables available almost all the seasons, right? So check taroi, nenua, galka, bottle gourd. Okay, so many vegetables are there. Okay, you can have it. Decide and have. Decide and have. Don't just do unnecessarily mix up everything and then have. No, it creates a lot of issues in the health problem. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. It's almost done, so it's 7:30 almost, and we are about to close the session. So I'll just revise what did we learn today. I had asked you all to make 5 notebooks: one for the gratitude, one for the affirmation, one for the goal, one for the victory, and one for the health monitor. You can WhatsApp me your health notebook pages. You can WhatsApp me your all 5 journals pages day by day. You all have my WhatsApp number. You all have my email ID, right? You all can message me in the chat box also. I can share with you. I want you to learn and grow. That is what I request. Okay, so that's the only thing. Task for today: be a conscious eater. Do not mix many things. Understand and then eat. There is nothing called as weight loss, weight gain, all this stuff. No, my dear friends, it's all myth. Don't run behind the weight loss, weight gain programs. If you want to enroll, enroll. I'm not saying anything right or wrong, but understand the science and do it. In my program, in 5 days, people lose 5 kgs. 5 kg. Yesterday, the person who joined my program, he was around 74. And within 5 days, his weight has come to 69. But without changing anything, full on diet, okay, full on diet. So that's the question. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much. Bye bye.